Welcome back to Bike Vibes. Today, we've got something special for you, Yamaha's latest beast, the 2025 ZF1000 R1. This superbike is the pinnacle of Yamaha's racing DNA, blending cutting-edge technology with sheer power. If you're a fan of high-performance motorcycles, you're going to love what Yamaha has done with this year's R1. Let's talk about design first. The 2025 ZF1000 R1 continues the legacy of sharp, aggressive styling that Yamaha is known for, but with a few key updates. The new aerodynamic winglets integrated into the fairing not only add to its fierce look but also improve downforce at high speeds, giving you more stability when you push this machine to its limits. And with its lightweight aluminum chassis, the R1 remains agile and responsive, perfect for both track and street performance. Now, what's under the hood? Yamaha has packed the 2025 R1 with an upgraded 998cc inline-4 engine that delivers over 200 horsepower. This engine is a true masterpiece of engineering, with improved fuel injection and revised intake ports for even sharper throttle response. Whether you're on the track or the open road, the power delivery is smooth but fierce, propelling you forward with adrenaline-pumping speed. Yamaha has also focused on making the ZF1000 R1 as technologically advanced as possible. You've got a 6-axis inertial measurement unit (IMU) that continuously monitors the bike's dynamics. This works hand-in-hand with the advanced electronics suite, including a refined traction control system, slide control, wheelie control, and launch control. All these systems work seamlessly to keep you in control, even at high speeds. And let's not forget the quick shifter, smooth up and down shifts without touching the clutch, keeping your focus on the ride ahead. The 2025 R1 also gets an upgraded full-color TFT display, giving you all the vital information at a glance. You can switch between different riding modes, sport, track, and custom, allowing you to tailor the bike's performance to your needs. Whether you want to unleash its full power on the track or dial it down for city riding, it's all at your fingertips. Handling on the ZF1000 R1 is top tier, thanks to Yamaha's refined suspension system. You've got fully adjustable KYB forks up front and a high-performance rear shock, ensuring that the bike sticks to the road, no matter how sharp the turns get. The lightweight frame, combined with Yamaha's advanced suspension, makes this bike feel like it's glued to the pavement, precise, responsive, and stable at any speed. All this power and performance might make you think the R1 is only for the track, but Yamaha has made sure it's as practical as it is fast. The riding ergonomics have been refined for long-distance comfort, so while it's a beast on the track, it's also perfectly manageable for everyday riding. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha ZF1000 R1 is a masterpiece of engineering. It combines raw power, precision handling, and cutting-edge technology in one package. Whether you're a seasoned rider looking for a track weapon or a sport bike enthusiast who demands the best, this bike delivers. Stay tuned to Bike Vibes for more reviews, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for all the latest in the world of motorcycles.